Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting Chinese exponential math problem, which is 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100. K is equal to what? How to solve this interesting exponential math problem? This is our math solution. Our question, which is 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100. This is our question. First of all, you can see easily here 5 to the power k is common. So if I take 5 to the power k is common, so this divide this is 1 plus this divide this is 1 is equal to 100. Now at this moment you can say that this expression it will be 5 to the power k, and this 1 plus 1 this is 2, 1 plus 1 this is 2, and here 100. Now at this moment I divide both sides by 2, which is 5 to the power k times 2, and I divide this value by 2, and this 100 divide 2. Now at this moment you can say this 2 is cancelled out. It will be 5 to the power k is equal to this 100 divide 2, this is 50. 100 divide 2, this is 50. Now at this moment I use both side natural log, because of that our target k is equal to what? So log 5 to the power k is equal to log 50. Now we know that log a to the power r, which is r log a, if I apply this math formula here, so this exponent move on in front, so it will be k log 5 is equal to log 50. Now this is k log 5, and I divide both sides by log 5. I take here is log 5, then this is log 50 divide log 5. I solve this question step by step. It is a nice interesting exponential maths problem. Now log 5 is cancelled. We'll find out k, and here is natural log 50. So log this 50, it will be 5 times 10, it will be 50, and this is log 5. Now at this moment you know, and I know, which is log ab, it will be log a plus log b. I apply this math formula here, so it will be k is equal to log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Now if I separate this fraction, it will be k is equal to log 5 over log 5 plus this is log 10 over log 5. Now this it will be 1, so which is 1 plus, and log 10, if I evaluate this expression again, it will be log 5 times 2, 5 times 2, this is 10 over log 5. Now this is k is equal to this 1 plus, and here log ab, it will be log a plus log b, b is 2 over log 5. Now I separate this fraction again, so this expression it will be k is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. I separate this fraction. Now at this moment you can say this cancel, this is 1, so it will be k is equal to 1 plus this is 1 and this is log 2 over 5, log 2 over log 5. Now this is k, 1 plus 1, this is 2 plus, and this is log 2 base 5. This is our final answer in this viral exponential maths problem. Let's verify, let's check out this math question for competitive exam, because of that it is too much important. So at this moment 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power k is equal to 100. Now remember that k is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. So you can say it will be 5 to the power 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus 5 to the power, this is 2 plus log 2 base 5 is equal to 100. Now this expression, if I apply this math formula here, a to the power m plus n, which is a to the power m times a to the power n, so this expression it will be 5 to the power 2 times 5 to the power, this is log 2 base 5 plus this is 5 to the power 2, and I separate this case, it will be 5 to the power log 2 base 5 is equal to 100. Now this is 5 to the power 2, it will be 25 times, and this is 5, this is 5, this is 2. So according to natural log formula it will be 2. So this is 2 plus, and this is 25 times this is 2 is equal to 100. Now this is 25 times 2, this is 50 plus this is 25 times 2, this is 50 is equal to 100. Now at this moment you can say this 50 plus 50, this is 100 is equal to 100. So left hand side and right hand side both side is equal. So 5 to the